Cryptocurrency. Mastercard continues to focus on the digital asset industry. CryptoSunrise and Invest News are happy to have you on board. If there were like, comments, and subscriptions, I would be extremely happy. Also make sure to turn on the bell, as this will let you know right away when new videos become available. Sometimes you have to act quickly in order to create more profits for yourself. Both Visa and Mastercard are focusing on the digital asset industry, which they're now following suit on by also following suit with their competitor. The adoption of cryptocurrencies has been so rapid that Mastercard has chosen 7 blockchain startups for its fintech accelerator. The company recently announced its intentions to aid businesses with digital assets, such as cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. It doesn't matter how many times Mastercard wins when it comes to cryptocurrency. Although Visa is firmly committed to the digital asset industry, it is only fair to say that Mastercard is as well. Due to this, it has decided to invest in 7 crypto startups and place them in the Start Path Accelerator. In these cases, Mastercard stands behind the businesses that work with digital assets, cryptocurrency, or blockchain technology. 7 startups are in the competition, including Uphold, which offers a trading platform and digital wallet, as well as Domain Money, which is an investment platform, Taurus, which is a digital asset firm, Mintable, which is a blockchain oracle firm, Supra Oracles, which is a blockchain oracle platform, GK8, which is a fungible token trading platform, and Stacks, which is an infrastructure provider. To ensure that the new features all have the same dedication to Mastercard, all of the new additions are consistent with Mastercard. There's no need to limit this to just new innovation and growth in digital asset technology, as well as expansion. Moreover, this will make it easier for cryptocurrency investors to trade safely. Startups use the program to engage with people all over the world. However, startup entrepreneurs will have to face an uphill battle with the program. The participants should build on the progress of the program and create new ideas. This also applies to the startup partners who will be using the program to make connections with the Mastercard ecosystem globally. This includes commercial entities such as banks, merchants, and other partners. Mastercard has been dealing with protection, security, and the digital currency ecosystem since 2015. Jess Turner, Executive Vice President of Mastercard Digital Infrastructure and Fintech, emphasized. Furthermore, she added, saying, "A significant part of our mission is to have a significant impact on the future of cryptocurrency. That is, we use tried and true traditional financial concepts combined with innovation for digital assets." Start Path was launched in 2014. The accelerator program that lasts for 6 months is designed to help companies scale and launch their products and services for a commercial enterprise. Some 260 startups are involved in the program, while in the meantime, approximately 250 startups have become involved. A new crop of fintech and digital asset startups has recently been accepted into the program. Also included in this group were Modaseeds. Mastercard and Visa continue to launch new card programs. Recently, Mastercard announced that it was evaluating ways to incorporate cryptocurrency payments as part of its credit card services. All Mastercard credit card partners can now accept payments in cryptocurrencies even if they do not support payments in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. In contrast to its competitor Visa, which reported that its crypto-enabled cards processed $1 billion in Q1, Mastercard's results were much lower. To help Mastercard remain on top, the firm is working hard to become a player in the cryptocurrency market. In this manner, we can remain curious about what other ideas Mastercard and Visa have up their sleeves. All products links in the description can benefit you. We appreciate your attention and hope you will like and share this video. Stay tuned, as we can't wait to see you in the next video.